Raining again. Before you go to the shopping mall or heading to the restaurant, let me use this video to inspire you. Join me in this short video as I reflect how rain helped me to embrace a slower, more intentional life with slow cooking, cozy craft, and steamy curry. If you dislike rain or always say "sian la," this video might change you. Today I'm making curry and some DIY rainy day craft. Because why not? This is how I enjoy a rainy day, a Singaporean way in Sweden. First thing first, the curry, the ultimate rainy day food you should eat. With the heat and the spice, it makes me sweat like a hawker auntie at 3 p.m. In Sweden, people always like to eat soup when it rains. In Singapore, we make curry. Let me make something that makes my kitchen smell like Little Indian and my stomach sink. And also, if you feel cold, inhale chili powder. It's like an instant sauna. Food gives me a lot of memories. I remember when I was a kid, when it rains, my mom often gave me a tingkat and asked me go and buy soup kambing at the Indian store. Food brings me home, even when my home is like 100,000 kilometers away. One tip: when you wash rice, don't throw away the water, okay? Keep it and use it to water your flowers or your vegetables. This way, you will save lots of money from fertilizer. The curry looks like it is done. I'm gonna cook some rice and let the curry sit for a while I go out to the garden and water my vegetables. Nowadays, the world is in a chaos, very unstable there. So it is best to save money. Don't spend unnecessarily. I notice lots of people likes to go shopping or eat at the restaurant during rainy day. This is not good. My mom always said, you have to save money for rainy day. I heard you, Mom. You see, I even plant my own herbs to save money. In Sweden, we eat at home 95% of our time because it is so expensive to eat out. And instead spending money going to the gym during raining day, this is a Swedish raining day indoor sports. Hunting down house flies without spending money on insect spray. This not only eco-friendly, you also get some workout. I used to think that productivity was everything. But now, when it rains, I don't rush. I cook slowly. I make stuff with my hand. Raining day to me is like a mental pause. It provides me a peaceful background and a slower pace. Somehow, it can feel deeply romantic and soothing. It's like a slow down signal that the nature is telling you, hey, slow down. It say, go inside the house, turn on the lights or light some candles. Make a coffee, read a book, or by just sitting by the window watching droplets falls. In my case, I really enjoy watching LG doing the dishes. It feels so romantic somehow. Here is another tips for raining day. Making something beautiful. Crafts. Why? Because they are like curry, a little bit messy, totally satisfying, and very well, I know, therapeutic. Let your creativities and finger do something beautiful for your home instead of strolling at your phone. Here I'm making a housewarming gift using clay and leaves. I do craft because I want to put my phone away so that I could focus myself on a simple thing like making a craft. By doing that, my brain can relax. I don't care about being perfect. Is this perfect? No. Does it spark joy? Yes. Could I sell these on Estee for a few $100? No, maybe for just £1. So, now you know why I love raining day. The slower pace, the warm food, and the quiet crafts. Wherever you are. As for me, whether I'm in Singapore or Sweden, rain reminds me to slow down and savor the little things. After staying in Sweden for a while, I noticed that rain doesn't push lives indoor. In fact, it smoothens it. It gives permission for us to do less and feel more. Whether it is the dazzlings on the Swedish rooftop in my cottage or the monsoon dancing of Singaporean rains become a shared language of slowness. And it says, be still, look outside, you don't have to hurry. Have I changed your view about rain? If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like. Or just drop me a comment telling me your favorite raining day comforts.